Good morning, Group 2. It's Tuesday today, and I have a bit of a confession to make because I made a bit of a mistake. At the end of yesterday's video, I said we were learning split digraphs today, but I've forgotten what day of the week it is. I have no idea what's going on, and I got myself all confused thinking it was Thursday tomorrow, when it's not, it's Tuesday today. So we are learning split digraphs on Thursday. We've got a couple more sounds we need to learn just before we start our split digraphs. So here are today's sounds, which are O and O. So we've learned a few O sounds already, and this is a new one. So let's have a look at what we've got in store today. Here are some flashcards. Shout them out when you know what the sounds are. Okay, that's F. That's U. Ooh, good. O. Get this one? It's boy. No, it's not. It's oi, as in boy. As in girl. E, as in beads. A, like crayon. What's that one? Oh, it's ow. Well done. And that's I. Well done if you got those right. So this is our O sound, a new O sound that we're learning. It's an O and an F, and when we put them together, it makes O. So what words does this O sound come into? Well, here are a few just to get us started. It's in toe. It's in O's, goes. It's also here in cargoes, cargoes. And it's in this one, dominoes, dominoes. So that's our O sound. This is the O sound. Now it doesn't look like the O sound because it doesn't have a O or a R in it. This is the O sound. It's less common, but it does come up in some words like haunt or haunted, like a haunted house. It's also in launch, like launch the rocket. It's in this funny word, jaunty. And it's also in August. But in August, it has a capital letter because it comes at the beginning of the word. And August is the name of a month, so it needs to have a capital letter. Your job today then is to use the O sound to fill in these words. So there's a picture and the word goes underneath. There's also one for the O sound. Now, what I've done, because I know that these pictures can sometimes be tricky and we sometimes have a bit of trouble figuring out what word it is, don't we? I've put the answers underneath so that whoever's with you at home can print those off and help you out if you get stuck on a picture. If you do get stuck, leave that one, find one that you do know, and then move on. Now, some of these don't have the O or the O sound in them, so they're trying to trick you. So when you find one that does have that sound in, the O or the O, you can colour that picture in. If it doesn't have that sound in, you can still write the word, like here we've got screw. Screw doesn't have O or O in it, but I'll still write oo, but I just won't colour it in. Have fun with today's activity and keep practicing these O and O sounds as well as all of your other sounds. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.